Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Geography with Shyamal. In this class, we are going to discuss about geopolitics of climate change. This is a very important topic regarding our UGC NET examination in political geography. Okay, we'll discuss introduction, the climate change as a geopolitical phenomena, the basic concept, international regimes, UNFCCC, Kyoto, Paris Agreement, climate security, conflicts, migration and state fragility, vulnerable regions, SIDS, Arctic, Sahel and South Asia, climate diplomacy, North-South divide, CBDR, COP summits, key data and treaties, emissions, targets and agreements, UGC NET key points, MCQ terms, theories and models, summary, conclusion and exam tips. Okay, first of all, climate change in geopolitics. Okay, introduction. Climate change is no longer just an environmental issue. It is the defining geopolitical salience of the 21st century, reshaping alliance, conflicts, migration, and the global power structure. Definition: Geopolitics of climate change examines how global warming alters power relations, state interest, territorial claims, and international cooperation. Nexus: Climate change intersect with energy security, food security, water conflicts, sea level rise, and forced migration, all geopolitically significant. Scale operates at multiple scales: global, UNFCCC, regional, Arctic Council, national, NDCs, and local climate refugees. Urgency: IPCC AR6 2021 to 2022, 1.5 degrees Celsius warming threshold critical. Current policies lead to 2.7 degrees Celsius by 2100, and geopolitical action is critical. Okay, international climate regimes and agreements. 1988, IPCC established Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, set up by WMO and UNEP to assess scientific knowledge. 1992, UNFCCC Rio Earth Summit, United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. 1997, parties objective: stabilize greenhouse gas concentrations. 1997 Kyoto Protocol, legally binding emission cuts for developed Annexure 1 nations based on CBDR principle. USA withdrew in 2001. 2009 Copenhagen Accord COP15 recognized 2 degrees Celsius target but failed to produce a legally binding treaty, marked North-South tensions. 2015 Paris Agreement COP21 limit warming to 1.5 degrees Celsius to 2 degrees Celsius, and this is by East County loss and damage provisions. USA rejoined under Biden. 2021 Glasgow COP26 phase down of coal agreed, methane pledged, and carbon markets Article 6 loss and damage fund discussed. 2022 Sharm El Sheikh to the COP27 historic loss and damage fund created for vulnerable nations, developing countries key win. Dubai COP18 2024 Baku 2023 first global stocktake. UAE United Arab Emirates consensus to transition away from fossil fuels finance targets updated. CBDR and the North-South divide in climate politics. CBDR, common but differentiated responsibilities. Developed countries Annexure 1 bear greater historical responsibility for greenhouse gas emissions and must lead mitigation efforts. Developing nations prioritize growth but must adopt clean development. Global North Annexure 1, USA, European Union, UK, Japan, historical emitters, have financial and technological capacity, demand equal obligation from all nations. Climate financing commitments, $100 billion per year pledged. Often prioritize economic competitiveness, push for market mechanisms, carbon trading, reluctant on loss and damage compensation. Global South North Annexure, India, China, basic group, large developing. Right to development agreement, small island states, AOSIS most vulnerable. G77 plus China alliance negotiations. Demand technology, transparent finance, adaptation is more than mitigation priority. Climate justice and equity framing. Climate security, conflicts and fragility. Water wars, river-based disputes, Nile, Ethiopia, Egypt and Sudan, Mekong in China and Southeast Asia, Indus in India and Pakistan. Climate reduces river flows, escalating tensions. Food insecurity and conflict, drought and desertification destabilize agrarian states. Sahel crisis, Mali, Niger and Chad. Arab Spring linked to food prices spikes from climate events. Climate migration, UNHCR 21.5 million MN displaced annually by weather events. Bangladesh Pacific Islands, Sahel face permanent displacement, political tension in receiving states. Arctic geopolitics, melting ice opens new shipping routes, NEPSS, and resource assets. Russia, USA, Canada, Denmark, Greenland complete for Arctic sovereignty. Sea level rise threatens sovereignty of small island states, Maldives, Tuvalu, Marshall Islands, EEZ, special economic zones. Claims at risk, climate refugees without a state. Energy geopolitics, transition from fossil fuels, reset power of petrostates, Gulf and Russia, critical minerals, lithium, cobalt, rare earths for clean energy create new dependencies. Most climate vulnerable regions of the world. Small island developing states, 100% sea level rise state, loss of freshwater and land, existential sovereignty crisis, AOSIS negotiating blocks. Example, Maldives, Tuvalu, Kiribati, and Marshall Islands. Sub-Saharan Africa and Sahel. Severe desertification, lakes start sinking 19%, crop failure and famine, climate conflict nexus. Example, Niger, Mali, Chad, Ethiopia, and Somalia. South and Southeast Asia, glacial melt, Hindu Kush, cyclone intensification, delta flooding, Bangladesh, heatwave mortality, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Vietnam, and Philippines. Arctic and polar regions, warming 4x global average, permafrost, methane release, indigenous community loss, geopolitical scramble. Example, Russia, Canada, Norway, USA, in Alaska in USA, and Greenland. Mediterranean and Middle East, severe water states, desertification expanding, migration pressure to Europe, food insecurity spike. Example, Syria, Iraq, Jordan, Spain, Greece, and Morocco. Low-lying coastal cities, flooding and storm surge, infrastructure loss, saltwater intrusion, urban climate refugees. Mumbai, Jakarta, Miami, New Orleans, and Shanghai. Climate diplomacy, actors and alliances. Basic group, Brazil, South Africa, India, and China. Demand equity, resist binding targets, push for technology transfer, and climate finance from North. European Union, 27 member states, most ambitious climate actor, Green Deal target, 55% reduction by 2030, net zero by 2050, carbon border adjustment mechanism. AOSIS, 44 small island states, most vulnerable, push for 1.5 degrees Celsius per limit, advocate for loss and damage, climate justice framing, existential negotiators. USA, largest historical emitters, oscillates, Obama, Paris, Trump withdrawal, Biden rejoined, and Inflation Reduction Act, US dollar 369 billion, clean energy. G77 plus China, 134 developing nations, largest negotiating bloc at UNFCCC, push for finance, CBDR and adaptation, internal tensions, SIDS versus large emitters. Petrostates, OPEC, Saudi Arabia, Russia, UAE, etc. resist rapid fossil fuel phase out, push for carbon capture, UAE hosted COP28, often obstruct binding fossil fuel commitments. Okay, key data, emissions and climate targets. Top carbon dioxide emitters, percentage global share, China 31%, USA 14%, European Union 27%, 8%, India 7%, Russia 5%, Japan 3%. Okay, sources global carbon project according to 2023. Critical numbers, 1.1 degrees Celsius warming above pre-industrial levels 2023, 2.7 degrees Celsius projected warming with currents and disease, 1.5 degrees Celsius Paris Agreement aspirational limit, US dollar 100 billion annual climate finance peak unmet, 420 ppm carbon concentration, carbon dioxide concentration 2023 highest in 3 MN years. 2050 net zero target year for most major economies. Theories, concepts, and frameworks most important for UGC NET examination. Climate securitization, Buzen and Weber, Copenhagen School. Climate change framed as existing security threat, shifting it from environmental policy to military strategy domain. Environmental determinism versus possibilism. Classic geography debate applied. Does climate determines geopolitical outcomes? Determinism, or do states have agency to adapt? Possibilism. Tragedy of the commons, harden global atmosphere as a commons, rational states over pollute since costs are shared globally but benefits are national basis for international cooperation need. Regime theory, Cohen and Nye. International regimes, UNFCCC, Paris as set of norms, rules and decision-making procedures to manage global environmental commons. Climate justice framework addresses disproportionate burden on global south. Those least responsible for emissions suffer most equity, intergenerational fairness, and reparations. Critical geopolitics of climate, Reznor, Delby, and power discourse and narrative in climate negotiations. Who frames the problem, who decides solutions, and center periphery power dynamics. Okay, these are some important theories and concepts for UGC NET examination. Okay, key terms: UNFCCC, Framework Convention 1992, NDC, National Determined Contribution, CBDR, Common but Differentiated Responsibilities, Loss and Damage, Compensation for Climate Harm, Carbon Budget, Maximum Carbon Dioxide per Temperature Target, NXR 1 versus non-NXR 1 countries, IPCC, not a policy body, scientific assessment. Treaties and years, UNFCCC 1992, Rio Earth Summit, Kyoto Protocol 1997, in force 2005, Copenhagen Accord 2009, COP 15, Paris Agreement 2015, COP 21, Glasgow COP 26 2021, coal phase down, COP 27, Sharm el Sheikh 2022, LND Fund, COP 28 Dubai 2023, First Global Stock Peak. Exam focus point: IPCC AR6 1.5 degrees Celsius threshold critical. Basic group: Brazil, South Africa, India, and China. AOSIS 44 small island developing states. Securitization of climate. Copenhagen School. Tragedy of Commons. Hardin 1968. Regime theory. Cohen and Nye. Arctic warming. 4x global average. Climate change is a fundamental geopolitical issue reshaping power, alliance, and conflict in the 21st century. UNFCCC 1992, Kyoto 1997, Paris 2015 represent the evolution of global climate governance. CBDR principle underpins all negotiations. Developed nations bear greater historical responsibility. Climate threats include water conflicts, food insecurity, forced migration, Arctic sovereignty disputes, and sea level rise. Key blocks: European Union, ambitious, basic, development equity, AOSIS, existential, G7 plus China, justice, petro-states, obstacle. Theories: securitization, Copenhagen School, tragedy of commons, Hardin, regime theory, Cohen and Nye. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.